In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create or improve your resume. If you want a faster way to build a polished resume, ChatGPT can be a great starting point. It can help you organize your experience, improve your wording, and make your resume sound more professional. The key is to treat it like a drafting tool, then carefully review and finish everything yourself so the final version is accurate and ready to send. Start by asking ChatGPT to create a new resume for you or improve an existing one. You can paste in your current resume text or describe your work experience, skills, and the kind of role you're applying for. The more clear and specific your information is, the better the result will usually be. This step helps you quickly generate a strong draft without staring at a blank page. Once ChatGPT gives you a resume draft, take time to review the text carefully. This part is important. Read through every section and make sure the job titles, dates, achievements, and skills actually reflect your experience. Also, watch for wording that sounds too generic or too exaggerated. You want the final resume to sound professional, but still honest and natural. If anything looks unclear, repetitive, or incorrect, fix it before moving on. After that, copy the final resume content. Make sure you're copying the polished version you want to keep, not an earlier draft. It helps to do one last scan so you don't accidentally bring over mistakes or placeholder text. Next, paste the content into Google Docs, Microsoft Word, Canva, or another resume editor you prefer. This gives you more control over the visual layout and makes it easier to turn the text into a clean, professional-looking document. Different editors offer different templates and design tools, so use whichever one feels easiest for you to work with. From there, adjust the formatting, spacing, and sections. Make sure headings are clear, the spacing is even, and the overall layout is easy to read. A resume should look neat and organized, not crowded or inconsistent. Good formatting helps employers scan your information quickly. Then add your correct contact details and work history. Double check that everything is current and accurate before you send it anywhere. This includes your phone number, email address, location if you want to include it, and your most relevant experience. Finally, export or download the resume as a PDF. This helps preserve the formatting across different devices. Save the file with a professional file name so it's easy to recognize and share. A simple format using your name and the word resume works well. Once that's done, your resume is ready to use.